Hi, this is Jackie Cherry. I'm here at my house. We're going to show you how to spray for bugs. The wood boring bees that make the little holes in your log homes. Uh, I've been using this for about 6 to 8 years. I put it on once to twice a year, depending on if you see a lot of bugs. But here's the name of it. It's a formula that I use for for the wood-borne bees. This does not kill them. This is not a poison. This is more like a something to deter them. It's worked really great on my house. Here's what a bag of this looks like. When you buy this bag, you will get 6 of those in this. This was about $14 last time I bought some. It's been 4 years since I bought any, so you'll get bags like that. It comes at Co-op, or you can buy it online at anywhere online, but Co-op is the place I go to pick mine up. All right, now I will show you how to start. What we do to get started, we'll go run some water, fill a sprayer up. This takes 2 gallons of water. Almost all sprayers come with a gauge on it to tell you how many gallons you will be putting in it. So there's no use overfilling it. 2 gallons will go a long ways. Actually, 2 gallons of water will spray my whole house. Okay, all right. We'll spray some. All houses are different, and you may have to get up on something to go around when you get into the really high spot. I'm going to show you how to spray lower part. I'm going to show you something that the first year I did not do. And underneath handrails, in between gutters and the facial board, you've got to spray. Your furniture, if it's wood, you've got to spray in underneath it to keep these bugs, to keep the bees away, because they will find that the first year they eat my rocking chair up, they eat my handrails up. Then the next year I started spraying everywhere. My house is a chink style house. If you get this under chinking, it doesn't hurt it. This is not, like I said, not a poison. It's more like something to deter the bees away. So you want to spray all of it. Again, make sure you've got all, and underneath everything, you can spray anything overhead you want to get it. And all the bug holes up there was before I started using this chemical. The real benefit of spraying with this is just to keep the insects away, like bugs, like the wood boring bees. They stay away whenever you sprayed it with this. I don't think it kills it, but you'll stop seeing the holes in it. If you do have holes in your logs, you really need to caulk those holes and stop them up so they can't get back in it, and try to kill the bees that are there. But it's a really deterrent from having holes all in your walls. And the best time to spray is you'll start seeing bees early spring, and then fall. They'll come back again in fall. So you spray right before they start boring their holes in spring, and then in fall you spray again when it cools up just a little. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any more questions, be sure to contact us.